So we're doing another Amazon gift card giveaway. So few simple steps on how to win. So first you gotta subscribe to our channel, of course. Share the video with your friends and family. So have them come over and comment, subscribe, and comment your name beneath this video or one of the most recent videos on the channel. All right. So the competition starts now, right now, and it will run until next Sunday, September 3rd, and until 5 p.m. on that day. On that day, we'll do a tally, and we will announce I will announce the top 2 winners. So again, subscribe, share, comment your name, get your friends and families to come and join on the fun. The more names we see below, or the more popular your name is in the comment box below, that's how you increase your chances of winning. I won't say the amount, be in for a surprise. So let's get the competition going. Let's get it going. So good luck to y'all, and look forward to seeing y'all names down below. And oh, one more thing before I close this out. Let's keep it fair. No resubmissions. No unsubscribing, resubscribing just to make it count. I know everybody who's already entered, so don't even do that. Just make it fair. You know what I mean? Again, share with your friends and family. Have them come over and join in the fun. All right, that's it. See y'all in the next video.